The heavy rain this morning, we had rainfall rates of 1 to 2 inches an hour, is now moving out over the lake. We'll see a little rest as drier air begins to intrude across northern Iowa. Now, if we break a little bit of sunshine for today, we're looking at the potential for severe weather once again late afternoon. I'm thinking after 4 o'clock into the early evening hours. Could see another round of severe storms later. Very warm, very humid today, mid to upper 80s.
We're going to stay on Weather Watch. In the meantime, Good Morning America is coming up next.
Yes, you can find the latest news and weather anytime on WISN.com. Here's a live look at the Menominee River rushing through Wauwatosa. We got so much rain, the river is swelling up pretty fast.